A card. 12-inch 3-in-1 smartphone on GoPro and camera, octopus, tripod, black, China. And here's the reveal. This is the wipe. This is for your phone. This, I don't know what this is. This is for your GoPro, your action camera. And this is my tripod. Me. This is steady. This is strong. This lasts for me. This is the same brand I had before. I've had for quite a while now, and it serves me. I got another, so I could have 2 lights, and I could have a camera mounted also when I'm not using my webcam. You can see, that's the one I've had for quite a while now. This black one is the newer tripod I got recently, which came with the light or so. I'm going to remove that one and put it onto the smaller one so it looks similar, wouldn't you? But here we are, the reveal for me. I'm filming with my phone currently, but look! This is the contraption. You just spin it on there for you. You just spin it on there. It's quite difficult for me one-handed. My coordination is very destructive to you. But this is how it works for you. This is your chicken pox for sure. This is attached. And you can now attach your phone. Here, you can lift this up and down to fit. And as you saw earlier, you can take this off and you can attach any camera to the top. A DSLR indeed. And if you have an action camera such as a GoPro, that's what this is for. You attach this and then the action camera fits into there. Very funky to me. I don't know what this is for, however, if you have clue, do tell you to me. Happy Thanksgiving! Oh!